Feeling a little cash-strapped before payday? Ever found yourself wondering, how much can I actually get from Beforepay? You're not alone. In today's world, unexpected expenses pop up all the time, and sometimes, waiting for your next paycheck just isn't an option. That's where services like Beforepay come in, offering a bridge to your earned wages when you need it most. But the big question remains, what's your personal borrowing limit? Understanding your Beforepay approval amount isn't as mysterious as it might seem. It's not a one-size-fits-all number. Instead, it's a dynamic figure that Beforepay calculates based on several key factors, all designed to ensure responsible lending and borrowing. Think of it as a personalized assessment of your financial health and repayment capability. The primary driver of your approval amount is your income and its consistency. Beforepay wants to see a steady stream of earnings coming into your account. This is why they connect to your bank account, not to snoop, but to analyze your transaction history. They're looking for regular deposits from your employer, indicating a reliable income. The higher and more consistent your income, the more likely you are to be approved for a higher amount. If your income fluctuates wildly, or if you're newly employed, your initial approval might be lower until a more consistent pattern is established. Next up, let's talk about your spending habits. While Beforepay isn't judging your lattes, they are looking at your overall financial behavior. Do you frequently overdraw your account? Are there numerous bounced payments? These can be red flags. Conversely, a history of managing your money well, with fewer instances of financial distress, can positively impact your approval amount. It demonstrates to Beforepay that you're a responsible borrower who is likely to repay on time. Another significant factor is your repayment history with Beforepay itself. If you've used the service before and consistently repaid on time, that builds trust and a positive track record. This can lead to an increase in your approved amount over time. It's like building credit, but within the Beforepay ecosystem. Conversely, late or missed repayments will likely lead to a decrease in your approved amount, or even a temporary suspension of your ability to access funds. They want to ensure you're not getting into a cycle of debt you can't manage. Beforepay also considers how often you use their service. While it's designed to be a short-term solution, frequent, back-to-back requests for advances without sufficient time for repayment can also impact your limit. They aim to prevent over-reliance and encourage responsible financial planning. So, how do you find out your exact approved amount? It's straightforward. Once you link your bank account to the Beforepay app and they've had a chance to analyze your financial data, your approved amount will be clearly displayed in the app. This is your personal borrowing limit at that specific moment. It's important to remember that this amount can change. As your income changes, your spending habits evolve, or your repayment history with Beforepay grows, your approved amount will be reevaluated. If you're looking to increase your approved amount, focus on financial stability. Ensure your income is deposited consistently, manage your expenses wisely, and always repay any Beforepay advances on time. The more financially responsible you are, the more Beforepay will trust you with a larger advance. Ultimately, Beforepay's approval process is designed to be responsible and helpful, not to get you into a bind. They want to provide access to your earned wages when you need them, but within limits that you can realistically manage. It's about empowering you with financial flexibility without encouraging over-indebtedness. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.